Hey coders! Today we're comparing two awesome AI coding tools, JetBrains AI Assistant and GitHub Copilot. So let's break them down and see which one's best for you in just 2 minutes. First, JetBrains AI Assistant. This tool lives inside JetBrains IDEs like IntelliJ, IDEA, or PyCharm. It's super smooth if you already use these editors. It helps with code completion, suggest fixes, explain code, and even write commit messages. It's great at understanding your project's structure, so its suggestions feel tailored. Plus, it's big on data privacy, keeping your code safe. Best for folks who love JetBrains tools and want deep integration. Now, GitHub Copilot. Copilot, built by GitHub and OpenAI, works in tons of editors like VS Code, Visual Studio, and even JetBrains IDEs. It's fast at generating code, offering whole lines or functions as you type. It has a chat feature to answer coding questions or help debug. Copilot shines for quick coding and supports many languages, making it super flexible. It's perfect if you switch between editors or work on GitHub projects. So how do they compare? Code suggestions. Copilot's faster with suggestions, great for rapid coding. JetBrains AI focuses on quality, giving more accurate, project-specific tips. Ease of use. Copilot's plug-and-play setup is beginner-friendly. JetBrains AI feels smoother if you're already in their ecosystem. Which is better? Choose JetBrains AI Assistant if you're a JetBrains user who wants tight integration and cares about code privacy. Go for GitHub Copilot if you need flexibility across editors, fast code generation, or work heavily with GitHub. Try both to see what fits your style. That's it. Happy coding, like and subscribe for more videos.